Have you ever pondered what secrets lie beneath the Earth's crust, waiting to explode? Or perhaps more importantly, how these fiery phenomena might shape the future of our planet? Welcome to the fascinating world of volcanoes. Volcanoes, these magnificent and terrifying wonders of the natural world, are scattered across the globe, from the icy landscapes of Iceland to the tropical paradise of Hawaii. But what exactly are they? Simply put, a volcano is a rupture in the Earth's crust where molten lava, ash, and gases escape to the surface. The Pacific Ring of Fire, a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean, is home to about 75% of the world's volcanoes. This massive ring stretches from the southern tip of South America, up through the coast of North America, across the Bering Strait, down through Japan and into New Zealand. It's a seismically active region where tectonic plates meet and often clash, resulting in frequent volcanic activity. Let's not forget about the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, an underwater mountain range that spans from the Arctic Ocean to beyond the southern tip of Africa. This ridge is a volcanic hotspot, with frequent eruptions that go unnoticed due to their underwater location. Now, what about the impact of these fiery giants? On the one hand, volcanoes have been key in creating fertile soils, providing ideal conditions for agriculture. On the other hand, the destruction they can wreak is not to be underestimated. Volcanic eruptions can cause landslides, tsunamis, and even change global climate patterns. The eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia in 1815, for example, led to what is known as the Year Without a Summer in 1816. The huge amount of ash and sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere caused severe climate anomalies, resulting in significant decreases in global temperatures. This led to widespread crop failures and severe food shortages across the northern hemisphere. So, are volcanoes a threat to our future? The answer is complex. While the immediate dangers of eruptions are localized, the long-term effects can have global implications. Volcanic activity is a crucial factor in climate change models, and understanding them helps scientists predict future climate scenarios. To summarize, volcanoes are awe-inspiring formations found across the globe, in places as diverse as the Pacific Ring of Fire, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and even under the Antarctic ice. Their eruptions can create fertile soil, but they can also cause widespread destruction and influence global climate patterns. In the grand scheme of things, these fiery giants remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet and the delicate balance that exists between creation and destruction. They are both a testament to the Earth's power and a critical factor in determining its future. The more we learn about these fascinating phenomena, the better equipped we'll be to face whatever challenges they may pose in the future. So keep exploring and keep asking questions, because every answer is a step towards a better understanding of our world.